Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Make Money with Jay, and in today's video I'm about to show you a method using which you'll be able to make $2 every 10 seconds. Yes, $2 every 10 seconds and $12 every minute. So what's this method about? How it's going to work? What benefit does it serve? I'm going to answer all of your questions. Now this method doesn't need you to create any videos. You don't have to create any graphics either, nor you have to create any kind of content. You just have to go and answer people's question and use this method and start making money online. So what's this method about? I'm going to answer that as well in a little while. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So now back to this video. So as you can see that I'm on this website called as ibotta.com. So you need to go to ibotta.com and you'll land on this page. As you can see that it's a cashback app. That means anything which you purchase, you get a cashback for it. But no, this is not the way using which you'll be earning money. There is more to this. But before that, let me first show you the app itself. So as you can see that it's an extension which is available for Google Chrome as well as Firefox. So you need to install this extension if you want to earn these cashbacks and rewards. That means if you go to various websites and purchase something, then they'll send you offers and then you'll save some money. Not only that, you'll also earn some cashbacks, and when you sign up you get a $20 free back to school offers. So as you can see that they already have some good offers here. And not only that, you can also download their mobile app. They have mobile apps available which you can use directly from your smartphone. You can find and add offers and then start generating money by purchasing things from there. Now this is not the primary method, this is just an additional thing which they offer. The main way using which you'll be making money is quite different, so I'll be talking to you about that in a little while. Now as you can see that they have websites like Walmart, Staples and a lot of other popular websites from where you can do shopping and start making some additional income online. And not only that, you can use it from computer, your smartphones, and it's also applicable to your grocery orders. So it's something which is for everyone. You'll find categories like sports and outdoors, specialty, restaurants, pet supplies, kids and baby, home and auto, convenience stores, beer and wines, groceries, health and beauty, clothing and accessories, online shopping. So all kinds of categories are available. And right now they have paid over $1 billion. Yes, you heard it right. They have paid over $1 billion of cashback to their users. So this is a genuine website with lots of attractive incentives. As you can see that right now they have over 1500 offers from hundreds of retailers. So that's insane. And there are over 1000 plus participating retailers. So this is again awesome. Now you'll see that they have lots and lots of positive ratings here. People have actually mentioned that they have earned some really good income and they have saved a lot of money from this website. But this is not everything. Trust me, I'm going to show you a unique way using which you'll be able to make money from the same application. Now if you want to join this app, you can click on join us button and join it. Now you must know there are two things here, which is that if you sign up you get a $20 in free back to school offer. So that is one of the incentives which you will be using. Now you can see that they have mobile apps for iOS and Android as well, and browser extensions as well. So what you need to do is you need to come to the footer of this website and click on this affiliates tab here. Now when you click on the affiliates tab, it will take you to a page where it is showing you that you can earn extra cash as an Ibotta affiliate partner. Now how much money you will be making? Well, you'll be making $2 per referred registration. As I said you, it's just going to take 10 seconds for a referred registration to sign up to this, and you will be making $10. Now you must also know that they don't have to purchase anything, they don't have to spend any money. This is a free to do registration. Like if you send it to 10 people registers in your own family, on your friends, you make $20, easy $20 without doing any stuff. Now you can see that they'll also give you access to professional and creative resources, high quality images, some newsletters which you can use. Then there's some additional incentives and opportunities to earn even more cash. Now you can see that their users have earned over $500 million. This is insane amount of money, and you can earn similar money as well. Now it says that you can just click the below button to get started as an affiliate. So you can click on this button and start as an affiliate. You can see that they have lots of amazing deals from lots of partners on the internet. Now on the registration form, they are offering three things here, that if someone downloads the free extension, you get $2, and even if you refer them and they download it after 30 days, you'll be making $2 for the extension download. Now if someone downloads the app, you get $2, and again for the app you get $2. So it's same for everyone. Now I want you to go down below and fill in this application. If you have a different language, a different country, you can select it from here. So you have all of these options available. There are lots and lots of languages and countries available which you can choose from. You need to enter your name, email address, username, passwords, country, addresses, time zones, bank information, which is the most important part, the currency. Then you can enter your payment method. You can see how you are going to, you can select how are you going to promote it. So all of these options are available, and you just need to fill in this simple thing, and you will start to make hundreds of dollars online using this website. Now after you do all of that, they'll give you your affiliate link, and that's how easy it is to generate your affiliate link. Now after you do all of that, the most important part is how to bring signups. So now let me show you how to bring signups. So there is this website called as Tendry.com. So it's a make money on the internet forum. As you can see that it says make money forum. So you have hundreds of categories here, like affiliate programs, review your product website, buy, sell, trade, forex trading, make money, paid service. And you can see that there are over 8,000 threads in this one. From threads, it means 8,000 questions have been asked. So you can go to these threads and answer them with your affiliate links. And this is the best part, that they allow affiliate links. You can see that there are a lot of other categories like business opportunities, managing a business, funding a business. So you can start answering questions on these forums with your affiliate link, that if you want to save money online, you can use this application called as Ibotta and just answer in the same way. Another website which I would like to share with you is called as Quora.com. Quora is also a popular place on the internet where hundreds and hundreds of questions are asked on daily basis. So you can go to Quora.com and answer people who are looking for discount and coupon codes on websites like Amazon, Walmart, etc. You can add your affiliate link into answers without any issues of Ibotta. You can also mention that after downloading this extension or installing this app, they'll be able to find some really good resources for coupons and codes. So they'll be definitely interested, and since this is a free app, you'll be making a lot of money because the conversion ratio would be really high. The third website which I'm about to show you is called as Yahoo Answers. So Yahoo Answers is also a very popular website. You can go to Yahoo Answers and start answering questions of people. So these three popular forums called as Tendry, Quora and Yahoo Answers are going to equally support you in bringing in more leads. Now if you want to earn even further, then you can start using Facebook groups, you can use Pinterest. They both have really huge potential of downloads because these have great audience and people are dying for offers and discounts. So that's it. That's how you start to make $10 every single second using this amazing application. So I want you to go down below and tell me that what do you think about this method. Do you like it, or do you want to learn something else as well? What kind of future videos would you like to watch? Please mention all of that stuff. So guys, before I quit, I would like to introduce you to this amazing application called as Pockets. Now this application has been proven to make over $517 daily for my own friend Siyun. Now he don't need any kind of computer to do this thing. He's banking $517 online every single day by just using this application. This application provides him with free traffic, and now it's your turn to generate this kind of money online by coming to this web page and clicking on this button right here. Now you can even see a daily sales screenshot of the amount of money he's able to earn, and not only that, you'll also get access to some other bonuses when you click here. So go to the link in the description right now and get instant access to Pockets app and start making money online. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.